Hello everybody, welcome to today's lesson. Today I'll be teaching you some words that you can use to describe family member. Okay, let's get started. Here are some of the words that you should know. I'm gonna read each word loud and clear and you can try to repeat after me. First is Baba. Baba. It means dad. Baba. Mom is mama. 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 Grandpa is 爷爷. 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 Grandma is 奶奶. 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 Older brother is 哥哥. 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 Older sister is 姐姐. 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 Younger brother is 弟弟. 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 Younger sister is 妹妹. 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 Okay, let's get a closer look on each word. The first one is Baba. Baba. Then how do you say this is my dad? You say 这是我的爸爸. 这是我的爸爸. This is you can say 这是. 这是. 这是 means this is. 我的 means mine. 这是我的爸爸. 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 Next word is mom. You can just say mama. Mama. So of course this is my mom. You can say 这是我的妈妈. 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 Alright, very easy. Next one is grandpa. Grandpa you say 爷爷. 爷爷. So this is my grandpa. You can say 这是我的爷爷. 这是我的爷爷. 这是 this is 我的 my 爷爷. Grandpa. 爷爷. Grandpa. You should always pay attention that describing a family member, the second tone is always like zero tone. There's no tone. So 爷爷. 爷爷. Okay, next one is 奶奶. 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 Grandma. This is my grandma, you say. 这是我的奶奶. 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 Okay, next one. 哥哥. 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 How do you say I have an older brother? You say 我有一个哥哥. 我有一个哥哥. Here you should pay attention that you can divide the sentence in this way. 我有 means I have. 一个哥哥. 一个哥哥. Zero tone, no tone, no tone. 我有一个哥哥. 我有一个哥哥. I have an older brother. Okay, let's keep moving. This one, 姐姐. 姐姐. Older sister. 姐姐. I have an older sister. 我有一个姐姐. 我有一个姐姐. 我有 I have 一个 an or one 姐姐 older sister. Okay. Next one, 弟弟. 弟弟 younger brother. I have a younger brother. I have a younger brother. 我有一个弟弟. 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 Next one, 妹妹. 妹妹 younger sister. I have a younger sister. You can say 我有一个妹妹. 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 Alright. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you guys can enjoy a good day. And always review and practice more. Thank you very much.